Hi guys, you will have to forgive my hiccups. For some reason I have developed the hiccups in the last literally 2 minutes, right when I wanted to do this video. But hey, whatever. So this is my Ipsy, I don't know which box it is. It's the middle one. So you have the, see, you have the bag, and then you have the middle one, and then you have that one that comes every, or 3 or 4 times a year. So I have the middle one. So all right, here it is. The first thing I grab out is By Beach. Oh my goodness. Melon Days Face and Body Cream. All right, that's good. Use this as a moisturizer. Okay. Wait a minute, is there a little, oh, there's no fire in this one. It's all good. Oop. Wanders in the Clouds Eyeshadow Palette. See if I can open this one-handed. Probably can't because I am not that skilled. Hold on a second, please. Couldn't have opened it with one hand if I wanted to because it was taped on both sides. So I had to break the tape on this side. So this is what it looks like. I like that color. Look at those colors. Ooh. Look at those colors. All right. Hopefully they're good. Unfortunately, with these colors like this, they tend to flake a lot on me and they don't sit as well. So let us hope. So, all right. Got 3 more items, folks. Might just post this on General Principle. The heck is this? Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, First Aid Beauty. Okay. Skin protected with colloidal oatmeal? Sure. So, whipped. Relief dry skin, eczema, and strengthen skin. Oh, that's good. I have eczema. Use daily for intense hydration. All right. Sweet. Last 2 items. As soon as I can grab it. Juicy Lip Vinyl. Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl. Oh. I wonder if that's what it is from Tarte. I used to say Tarte because I was an idiot back in the day. Let's see. I should post this on General Principles as much as I'm having the hiccups this whole time. Yeah, that's... What? No. Maybe like this? Huh. I mean, it's cute packaging. What's it say at the bottom? It says hiccup. Holla if you hear me. Shimmering cinnamon spice. All right. Okay. That's what the color looks like. Okay. I'll try it. I don't know if that's actually that color, if it's like, what do you call it? Clear. I don't know. Last item, y'all. It's a triangle. It is it LYS Beauty Triple Fix Translucent Loose Setting Powder. All right, cool. I like that. I need some setting powder. I always need some setting powder. So, all right, y'all. These are my 5 items. It is like 33, pretty sure 33 bucks a month to get these 5 items, and they're all full size. So, yep, that's what I get. I do recommend it if you can afford it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Got the hiccups. Talk to you guys later. Bye.